FutureMakers.
Let's make monster mouths. In this FutureMakers Spark, your learners will explore how air pressure, also called pneumatics, can make things move. By building a creature with a mouth that opens and closes, they'll understand how a system that moves air from here to there really works. Here's what each learner receives to make a monster mouth. 2 pistons and cylinders, a plastic connector tube, a wooden stick, a sheet of sticky strips, 1 rectangle of thin cardboard, and an instruction sheet in a reclosable bag. You'll also need to provide scissors and drawing tools. Think about providing extra art materials for more creative details. To make your monster mouth move, you need to build an air-powered system based on pistons and cylinders. These 2 parts work together. The piston moves inside the cylinder, which fills and empties with air. Start by pulling 1 piston out of 1 cylinder and leaving the other cylinder with the piston pushed in. This setup will allow air to be stored in 1 piston at a time and to flow between the 2 when they're connected. Now push and twist the plastic tube onto the tip of each cylinder. It should feel snug. This keeps the air from escaping. Test it. Push and pull on the piston. If it's working, the other piston will move. Use a sticky strip to tightly wrap and attach each cylinder to the wooden stick. Save the extras. We'll need those to attach your monster's mouth. Every monster needs a mouth. Encourage your learners to think about their design and sketch with pencil first. They can practice with a design sheet before making their features out of cardboard. For this example, we'll keep it simple: a big set of eyes and a mouth. Add any other features that you want, but be sure to keep them simple so your learners can be more creative than you. See how we draw the mouth all the way across? It makes it easy to create 2 separate parts, a top and a bottom. It's very important to have a design that allows the cardboard to be separated into 2 pieces. Encourage your learners to think about their design and even sketch with pencil on the cardboard before cutting carefully. Just in case, have some extra cardboard scraps or heavy paper handy for those who might need another try. Once your design is cut and complete, make it move. Now it's time to attach. Flip your face, drawing side down, and close the mouth so it forms a solid shape again. Lay the closed piston and cylinder on the back of the face. Use sticky strips to attach the cylinder to the bottom of the face. This is the part of the face that will stay still. Then, pull the piston out a tiny bit and use sticky strips to attach it to the back of the top of the face. This is the piece that will move up and down. Test it. Your monster's mouth should open and close. What's really making your monster mouth move? This is a pneumatic system. Pneumatic means moved by air. When you push or pull 1 piston, you push or pull air through the tube and in or out of the other cylinder, which moves the other piston. By moving air from here to there, you make your monster's mouth move using pneumatics. Learners are experiencing how air is actually a thing, and although it's not visible, can be compressed and moved. Invite them to push both pistons into the cylinders together at the same time and feel the resistance as the air is compressed. Challenge them to see if they can push both pistons all the way in. See who can be the strongest. Not working right away? That's okay. Let's go over some common challenges learners experience. When systems are stuck, it's because there's no air in either cylinder. They're both closed. Or there's air in both cylinders. They're both pulled open. We need air to move between one cylinder and the other. Make sure one piston is in, or closed, and the other is out, open, before connecting the tube. Then, test to make sure it moves with a push and pull. If your face won't open enough or close all the way, try adjusting the top of the face up or down. You may need to use more adhesive. Ensure the bottom of the face is stuck firmly to the bottom cylinder. Floppy faces are no fun. No one wants a floppy face. Press the sticky strips down firmly. If it keeps coming off, have some standard tape available for them to try. Ask your learners questions before offering fixes. Point out what you see, and ask what they think might be causing the challenge. Avoid getting hands-on or fixing their project for them, unless it's absolutely necessary. If you're in a group, invite other learners to help support. Peer support builds confidence and creativity. Remind them from the start that this project will belong to them when they're done, and watch how their engagement increases. This is a STEAM challenge. It's time to make your monster mouth one of a kind. Learners should make a unique solution that doesn't look like your example. Problem solving and creativity is what's most important. What creature features will make it the most unique? What can you add to it? You can provide additional cardboard, paper, adhesives, and art materials for your learners to color and make 3D features. Did you know there's a printable story worksheet in our instructional guide? Your learners can use the worksheet to write their creature's backstory. What's its name? Where does it live? What happens first, next, and last? Put on a monster mouth puppet show. If you want to get a little messy, your learners can add water to one of the cylinders instead of air. Here, we've added color to make it easy to see. When you move things with fluids, it's a hydraulic system. Congratulations on creating monster mouths with your learners. Every spark is theirs to keep, to extend into other lessons, take home, and keep imagining. Thanks for creating with us. We can't wait to see what you build next. Bye!